Ever felt like your messy desk is slowing you down? Meet Alex.
Hello, guys.
His workspace was a disaster. Piles of papers stacked on every corner, tangled cables snaking across the desk, half-empty coffee cups hiding under sticky notes, and random tools scattered everywhere. Now he couldn't find his stapler, and his important files were buried under old reports. Every time he needed something, it was like searching for treasure in a junkyard. Seeing Alex struggle every day, his colleague Sam walked over and said,
Alex, you look stressed. Ever heard of the 5S methodology?
5S? What is that?
It is a lean system for the workspace introduced in Japan. This is a popular organizational methodology that focuses on cleanliness in the workspace. This framework involves observing, analyzing, collaborating, searching for waste, and removing it.
That sounds interesting. Sam, what is the process of implementing this?
Let me explain the process. This methodology involves 5 steps: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. First, sort. Separate your things into 2, what you want and red tag the items that you don't want. Remove the items with red tag, which helps you clear the clutter. Set in order. Arrange everything in order so it's easy to find. Shine. Clean your workspace thoroughly and on a regular basis. Standardize. Create a schedule and routine to maintain the first 3s. Sustain. Make this a habit and keep it going.
But is the 5S perfect?
Let's look at both the positive and negative sides of it. First, benefits. Improved efficiency. No wasted time searching for items. Reduced stress. A clean space feels lighter. Better productivity. Tasks flow smoothly. Professional image. Your desk reflects discipline. Safety. Fewer hazards like tangled cables. Disadvantage. Initial time investment. It takes effort to set up. Requires discipline. Easy to slip back into old habits. Not always flexible. Strict routines can feel rigid. Over-standardization. Too much structure can limit creativity.
"So, is 5S worth it, Alex?"
Absolutely.
In just a few steps, Alex turned chaos into clarity. That's the power of the 5S. Simple steps, big results. Ready to transform your workspace? Start with your desk. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more videos on quality management and professional skills. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.